Most people don't think about their roof until something goes wrong. A stain on the ceiling, a drip during a storm, shingles in the yard after the wind kicks up. Suddenly, it goes from "I'll deal with it later" to "I need answers right now." And the first question everyone asks is the same: how much is this going to cost me? If you're looking for an affordable roofing quote St. George homeowners can actually trust, the key is understanding what really affects the price. The roof repairs aren't one size fits all. The age of your roof, the materials, how widespread the damage is, and even how quickly you caught the issue all play a role. That's why searching for the average St. George roof repair price only tells part of the story. A small leak caught early might be a simple repair, but water that's been sneaking in for months can affect decking insulation, even the structure underneath. The difference between a minor fix and a major project often comes down to timing. And that's where a clear, honest estimate for roof repairs or replacements St. George residents can rely on matters. You don't want vague numbers. You want someone who looks at your roof, explains what they see, and breaks down the options in plain language. Repair versus replacement. Short-term fix versus long-term solution. Storm damage is another big factor around here. High winds and sudden downpours can turn a small weakness into a serious problem overnight. When that happens, waiting isn't just inconvenient. It can get expensive fast. A quick action helps prevent interior damage, mold, and structural issues. That's why having access to St. George Affordable Emergency Roof Repair isn't just helpful, it can save thousands in secondary repairs. Speed matters, but so does accuracy. A fast roof repair estimate St. George homeowners get shouldn't feel rushed or guess-based. It should be thorough, checking flashing, underlayment, ventilation, and hidden trouble spots, not just what's visible from the ground. A proper estimate protects you from surprises later. Another thing people don't always realize, not all roof damage is obvious. Granular loss, lifted shingles, small punctures. These can quietly shorten the life of your roof. Catching them early during an inspection often means a repair instead of a full replacement. That's the kind of difference that turns a stressful situation into a manageable one. At the end of the day, the goal isn't just fixing a roof, it's protecting your home, your budget, and your peace of mind. And when you understand your options, know the real condition of your roof, and have numbers that actually make sense, the decision becomes a lot less overwhelming. Because the right information at the right time, that's what keeps a small roofing issue from becoming a major headache. Contact us now for more info on how we can help you. 435-900-8207.